Hello guys, so this is the first project we are going to build to learn React Router. It's kind of like a GitHub Explorer site. This is the home page that shows random GitHub repos, as you can see over here. And then if you click on a repo, we go to the repo detail page. As you can see, we have some information about the repo over here. Then if we head over to the users page from the navbar, as you can see, we have a list of random users just as we had a list of random repos. And also, if we click on a single user, we also go to the user details page where we can see more information about the user. Then we go to the user search page where we have a search functionality that searches for GitHub users. So you can just type in your own username and you're going to see your details. Now, if we click on the profile link from the search bar, you can see that it takes us to the login page. Well, that's because the profile page is a protected route and it requires authentication to be accessed. So you are going to learn how to implement protected routes in this project. However, if we log into the application and go back to the profile page, you can see that my GitHub profile is now popping up with a bit of information about me. So with this, you are going to learn how to implement protected routes in your applications using React Router. Alright, that's an overview of what we're going to be building for a start. And with this, you are going to learn pretty much everything about routing using React Router. Let's begin immediately.